Up. We have Michael. Hi, Michael.
Yo.
Sorry. It's
we got a good fish
Michelle.
here. 7, maybe an 8. If we get to 8, it'll be the fish of the year so far.
Oh, it's number 17.
Wendell Clark.
Wendell, he's a fighter.
I'm gonna take him.
You take him. Balls across the nose. Settle down.
Oh, he just saw the back of the boat.
He's getting a little wiggle going. Oh, he's head banging her. There we go. Gotta get this mounted to my head or something, right?
There's a good flat spot there for it.
Lots of real estate. Settle down.
All right,
and then we have
right.
Captain Mislo. As long as you look good, we look good. Vidal Sassoon. All right, here we go.
Am I going to the left of this island now, or what?
Yeah, you're going to the left, but so far just hold the line on that point because it's a bit shallow on the left side, okay?
Shut up and do it. We're at Top Notch Tours. We don't mess around. What do we got here? Oh, is that him way over there?
No, that's not him, no. Somebody else is jumping in the background.
It's probably this line. Like, settle down.
It's hot on Bluesy right now.
Oh, you're at the end of your lead car.
We're going into the mono.
How much line have you got?
I got about 30, 40, maybe 40 feet of mono on there.
Got the mono.
I can't see the flash yet, but he's coming.
He's coming. He's gonna get. Alright.
Oh, he's keeping his head down. He's a good fish.
It's Wendell, you know.
Oh,
that's a lot of color there. Oh, Wendell's a big boy.
Hey, Julie, stick it in neutral.
Okay.
Gonna bring him this way a little. Oh, he's a good one.
Oh, tabarnak. That's a good 8. Easy.
Settle down, big fella.
He just wants to go back down. Look at that.
He's not finished.
Okay, put it in gear. Your head this way.
Okay. Oh.
Hang it hard.
Oh, he's a 7. He's a 6 or 7. He might be an 8. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the phone down here. So.
Here, I get the phone. You get the net. Here we go.
Bring him up.
Oh, he's peeling drag.
He's feeling on you.
He is. He's peeling drag. Hold the line. Here. Put it in gear.
It is.
Turn left.
Alright.
Okay.
He's hanging on. He's peeling a little bit of drag. I just gotta push the drag on him just a touch. Here we go.
Here at Top Notch Tours.
It's getting shallower and shallower. 28, 26, 25, 24.
Oh, we got him.
We got
Hey,
him.
what are we doing about this?
Keep going. Go just left now.
Okay.
Oh, tabarnak. Right.
We're at 20 feet now.
10. We're okay for now.
That's a good one. That's the biggest one so far.
Okay, this is
that
still
should've been
recording, I
mine.
bet.
Oh, that's a beauty.
All right. There we go.
Or we just took a picture. I don't know.
How you doing, eh? Okay, we'll stop right there. Top Notch Tours. We're all good for now.